Problem number 5. Determine the cylinder diameter and stroke length for a 8-cylinder single-acting 2-stroke diesel engine for which details of engine and indicator diagram are as under. Indicated power is equals to 16266.7 kilowatts. Speed is equals to 150 rpm. LD ratio is equals to 1.5. Area of indicator diagram is equals to 550 mm squared. Length of diagram is equals to 60 mm. Indicator spring constant is equals to 14.7 times 10 raised to 7 Pascal per meter. Ang hinahanap is yung diameter at yung length o yung ating stroke ay bore at stroke. Given na number of cylinder is 8. Meron tayong number of piston action na 1. Ang ating engine ay 2-stroke. Ang indicated power natin is 16266.71 7 kilowatts. Meron tayong speed, engine speed na 150 rpm. Meron tayong length over D na ratio equals to 1.5. Meron tayong indicator diagram na area equals to 550 square millimeter. Meron tayong LC na 60 millimeter. SC natin is 14.7 times 10 raised to 7 Pascal per meter. Ang hinahanap natin is yung D at L, kaya gagamit tayo ng volume displaced pi D squared over 4 times L times N times number of cylinder times number of piston action. Since meron tayong indicated power, ito, PMI equals to P indicated equals to PMI times volume displaced. Makukuha natin yung volume displaced. Solve muna natin yung indicated mean pressure. Indicated mean pressure natin is AC times SC all over LC. Substitute natin yung mga given. 550 millimeter squared. Convert natin sa square millimeter. 1,000 1 squared times yung SC natin na 14.7 times 10 raised to 7 Pascal per meter. Divide natin ng LC 60 mm o kaya naman 0.06 mm. 60 mm converted into meter. 1, 2, 3. Yan, meter. PMI is equals to times nakuha natin is 1347,500. Convert natin into kilopascal kasi pascal lang to. 1347.5 kilopascal. Yan, nakuha natin yung PMI. So, may substitute na dito. Meron na tayong indicated power. Makukuha natin yung volume displaced. Volume displaced is equals to indicated power na 16266.7 over PMI na 1347.5. Kaya ang makukuha natin is 16266.7 over 1347.5. Ang nakuha natin is volume displaced is equals to 12.0718 cubic meter per second. Volume displaced natin, makukuha na natin yung diameter 12.0718 equals to pi d squared over 4 times length natin galing dito. Length is equals to 1.5 times d. 1.5 times d para makuha na natin yung diameter times yung ating RPM na 150. Since tayo ay 2-stroke, hindi natin i-divide ng 2. Divide lang natin ng 60 para may convert yung minute into seconds times number of cylinder is 8 times number of piston action is 1. Makukuha natin yung diameter na 12.0718 equals to pi d squared over 1.5 times 150 over 60 is 8. Diameter natin is 0.80 meter or diameter natin is equals to 80 centimeter. Yun, nakuha natin yung diameter. So, natin kunin is yung length. Yung length natin is equals to dito. Substitute lang natin yung d. Length is equals to 1.5 times d na 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. Length natin is 1.5 times 120. Ang ating length 120 centimeter. Yan, kompleto na. Meron na tayong diameter na 80 cm at length na 120 cm.